Dear children, welcome to today's class. Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Have you studied previous topics? Very good. Now we will discuss about the last part of this chapter. In the previous class, we discussed about some gusts in the solar system. What are they? Asteroids, meteors and comets. Children, what do you know about Earth? Among the 8 planets in the solar system, Earth is the only planet where life is found to exist. When viewed from space, Earth's color appears to be pale blue. This is due to the fact that 2/3 of Earth's surface is covered with water. Due to the presence of water, Earth is called blue planet. So, it's our duty to protect the wealthy diversity of nature in terms of air, water, soil and life forms. Stars are giant celestial bodies that burn by themselves. Stars emit heat and light in large quantities. Sun is the nearest star to the earth. As the sun sets, the other stars start twinkling one by one. As the night grows darker, stars become countless. Have you heard about galaxy? A large cluster of stars is called galaxy. A galaxy which includes solar system is the Milky Way. It is also known as Akashaganga. It contains nearly 10,000 crores stars. Andromeda galaxy is the nearest galaxy to our Milky Way. The universe was a tiny ball crores of years ago. It is believed that the universe expanded to the present form by a violent explosion. Universe includes millions of galaxies. However, the unending thirst for knowledge, inquisitive mind and hard work, man is able to understand the secrets of universe. Do you understand? Children, let's summarize this chapter. In this chapter, we studied about solar system, gusts in the solar system, stars, our planet Earth, galaxy and universe. Planets are celestial bodies that revolve around the sun. There are 8 planets in the solar system: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Pluto is considered as a dwarf planet. Gusts in the solar system are asteroids, meteors and comets. Asteroids are tiny planetary bodies revolving around the sun. Comets are lumps of cosmic dust and snow particles. Meteors burn due to friction with air on entering into the atmosphere. Earth is the only planet where life is found to exist. Due to the presence of water, Earth is called blue planet. Stars are giant celestial bodies burned by themselves. Sun is the closest star to the Earth. Crores of stars make a galaxy. The galaxy which includes the solar system is the Milky Way. It is also known as Akashaganga. The universe was a tiny ball crores of years ago. Universe includes millions of galaxies. Children, hope you all understood about these topics well. That's all for today. See you in the next class with a new chapter. Thank you.